So how to use VA editor effectively. So you can create an empty file with the touch command, for instance test.txt. Okay, I created that. So let me remove that file. Sorry. Okay, even you can create that file with the VA as well. So VA test.txt. Sometimes beginner, they stuck with this VA editor because they don't know how to navigate through the files and through the lines and in VA. So when I did VA space that file name, so that file doesn't exist. That's why it says new. If it is already exists, so you can see the file content. So this VA editor has command mode and insert mode. So by default, when you enter into the VA, it usually comes with a command mode. So that's why you don't see insert over here. So if you want to type something, then just press I. So once you press I, so it's going to be in insert mode. So now you can type anything over here. So if you press escape, so that's going to make command mode. Now that insert is gone. So if you want to save any file, if you already type something over here, then if you want to save it, you just need to press escape, then colon, and WQ and exclamation. That's means write and quit. So it's gonna write to the file and quit. So that's it. Now if I look content of this test.txt file, I could see these many lines. So if I go to the that file again, test.txt, I typed something over here. So for instance, if I don't want to save it, what you can do, you can just press escape, then colon and Q and exclamation Q for quit. So you're not writing, you're just quitting it. So if you look for the content, you just have that old content, so because you didn't save it. So if you want to copy this line, for instance, if you want to copy this first line, you just need to press YY, then just go to your desired location and press P. So that's gonna copy it. So if you want to undo that, just press U, it's gonna undo. So we are just remember, we are not in insert mode. So if you don't see insert over here, so that's in command mode. So that's why this copy paste thing is working over there. So if you want to delete a specific text, so just go to that letter and press X, so it's gonna letter. If you want to undo, just press U. If you press multiple times, so it's gonna undo the previous things. So if you want to delete this complete line, if for some reason if you don't want this line, so you can press double D, that's gonna delete. Again, if you want it, just press U and it's gonna undo. And if you want to delete 3 lines from the current line, what you can do, just press D and 3 and D. That's it. That's been deleted 3 lines. If you want to undo, just undo. If you want to delete everything, just hold the D button, so it's gonna delete everything. So just imagine you're editing a configuration file. So I do have one sample configuration file, so I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna come to the insert mode. Now I'm in insert mode, so let me paste it here. So I just pasted. So okay, so if I want to jump into a specific line, so what you can do, so you usually don't see line numbers over here. If you want to see the line numbers, just go to command mode, just press escape. So if you don't see insert, as I said, it's in command mode, then press colon, that's a shift and the key the next to L. Then what you can do, just type set space number, so it's gonna set line numbers. So that makes easy for you to do. For some reason, if you're editing some file, or if you're trying to run restart a service, so while doing that, you got an error at so and so line. So how you gonna jump into that specific line? For that, what you can do, just press the line number. If I want to come to the 21 number, then I can press 21. I'm sorry, just okay. First we need to go out of this thing. So then just press escape. Okay, then type 21 and capital G. So now you could see that that cursor comes to this 21 number. So if I want to go to line number 4, what I can do, just 4 and capital G. Now this cursor had jumped to that line number 4. So this one makes easy your life sometimes, when you're stuck with, you don't need to, if you have thousands of lines, so if you want to go to specific line, so this one saves a lot of time. And okay, then if you want to search for some specific term, so if I want to look for this name, are you going to do? Just, we are all in command mode, just type /. Now you could see what / over here, and type the text. Now you can see that. So if you have multiple ones, then if I have a name over here as well, so if I just press small n to go to the next occurrence. Okay, sorry, just press name and then press enter, then press n to go to that next occurrence. If you want to go to that previous occurrence, what you can do, just press capital N. So this one moves backward, so that way. Even you can use question mark as well to search for search. For instance, if I do name, yeah, I could see. But this one works in the reverse way. First it goes to the bottom pattern, then it goes to the in reverse, then it goes above. I mean, then it goes up. So that way, even if you can go to insert mode with not only O, you can press O, but that goes to insert mode as well as then it goes to next line. It goes to insert mode in next line. So if I want to undo, just U. So if I am here number 12, so if I want to start a line over here, so if I press O, it's gonna go to insert mode as well, and it's gonna go to the next line. So if you want to go to end of this line, for instance at number 10, if you want to go to end of this line, just press $. So that goes here. And if you want to go to that end of line and as well as insert mode, then press capital A. So that's gonna go to the end of the line, as well as it's gonna do insert as well. Okay, and if you want to go to the beginning of the line, just press 0. I'm gonna put all these things in command because it's hard to remember, but once you get used to, once you use these commands for multiple times while editing your file, so you're gonna remember these things easily, so it's not gonna be a big deal. So I hope that helps.